All of you observe this question. So this will be a very good question, but it's not tough question at all. It is very simple. So generally we know that if I take from red to violet, if I pass through a glass material like a prism, so we all knows that if I pass a white light, so it will be splitting into 7 colors, and we all knows that which will be the most bending. Everybody, maximum bending. Maximum bending, which color? Violet light, and minimum bending is what? Red light. Am I right, all of you? Now, as I already told you before, so we all knows that different colors is having different speed. Now, for example, only I send, suppose there is a, let me take, this is a glass slab. It may be whatever it is. So passes through a convex lens. It is a glass. Now, if I send the red, now this is red color, imagine. Now tell me who will bends the most, red color or violet color? Now I send another time red color and violet color. So which is closer to the lens? Which will be closest to the lens? For which one glass is having greater refractive index? Anybody? For violet or for red? We all knows that refractive index is inversely proportional to speed of light. Understand? And next refractive index is directly proportional to bending of light. So who will be bend more, violet light or red light? Everybody?
Violet.
Violet light, because violet light speed is less, so that bending is maximum. And as we all know, wavelength is also less. So now they are asking, if a parallel white light beam passes through a convex lens, the light of which color among violet or red spectrum will converge at a point closest to the lens? So for example, see everybody, I'll take it now. All of you observe, if it is a more faster, so it will take more time to bend or less time to bend. Like we can say, it will bend less or more. Anybody? If it is, yes, please. So let me imagine now, all of you check it. So if I take lens, which lens actually it is? A convex lens. So I am passing a what light, everybody? What light I am passing? A parallel beam of white light I am passing. Okay, white light is a combination of how many colors? Yes, please. 7 colors. So the white light is passing through that lens. So you can see red light, it will be splitting. Red light, it will take more time to converge. Red light, it will take more time to converge. Because why? It is having more speed or less speed? More speed. So that for red light, the refractive index of glass will be act like a minimum or maximum. The refractive index of a glass or a lens, minimum or maximum? Everybody. Minimum for red. Understand? Now, red light after, tell me the colors. VIBGR, VIBGYOR, VIBGR. Now, red after, little less distance, which color will be converging? Yes, please. Which color will be converging? Orange. Next, next, yellow. Next, green. Next, blue. Next, indigo. Next, violet. So who will be maximum closest to the lens? Which will be? Anybody? Which will converge closest to the lens? All of you. Violet. Because it is having a what? Minimum speed, maximum bending, and as well as by that time for violet light, the refractive, if you notice it, the refractive index of the glass will be maximum or minimum? Yes, please. Maximum. Understand? So that is the rate. So which light will be? You can check it. So violet, indigo, blue, green, okay, yellow, orange, and red. So which will be closest to the lens? Which will converge at a point closest to the lens? Everybody? Yes. Which will be, guys? Violet light. Understand? Because it will be the most bending after refraction. Violet. Violet bend the most after refraction. Am I right or wrong? All of you. Yes, and also we all know. So if I pass the red light and violet light, so which light is having maximum refractive index for glass? Everybody, violet light or red light? Maximum refractive index.
Violet.
Yes, please.
Violet.
Glass has the highest refractive index, right? Highest refractive index for which light? Violet light. So please do it. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask. Make it fast, everybody. Understand, Amma? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So this is very important actually. So remember, 12th class you will get this, but first time you people are going to experience it, and I'm going to show you that image. You don't believe, 12th class it will come, but this is second chapter integrating with the first chapter. For the surprising, I'm saying, see that now how people are careless. Only 25 people are there. You'll understand it. Hurry, you take that all, everybody's. Today I'm going to stop everybody's, you see. So do you all understand here? You see that. So this is actually the concept of 12th class. You'll get it in the class 12th. Have you noticed it now, everyone? Mitakshri? That's the reason I says this chapter always, CBQ questions always makes uh, definitely something new for us. So that is what it will be. See here, everybody. So which light is closest, converging closest to the lens? Everyone,
Violet.
violet light. That is only they are asking. Clear, everybody? So closest to the lens. Which is closest to the lens? Violet light.
Violet.
Okay. So that is only the question. Am I right or wrong? Do it, all of you.
Yes.
Yes. So this is actually class 12th, it will come. But now the question came, that is the reason I'm discussing. So it's not that it is. But many people not at all having interest. What we can do? Do it, everybody. That's why I'm saying, if something new, if you find, so make it everyone. See here, which is closest to the lens is actually blue color. Violet light, actually. Okay, ma. Next. Next question. Smriti is looking at herself in a convex mirror in a science museum, standing 2 meters away from the mirror. See, it is a 3 mark question. Here, marks also they are mentioning. So I forgot to tell you. So please remember that also. So marks also they are giving here. So her image appears to be around half her actual height. So estimate the focal length of the mirror. Anybody? Estimate the focal length of the mirror, they are saying. Any one of you? So it's very simple. Smriti looking at herself in a convex mirror in a science museum, standing 2 meters away from the mirror. Of course, it is a convex mirror. So we all knows that convex mirror means it is having a real focus or virtual focus. Everybody. Yes, please. Virtual focus. So she is standing in front of the mirror 2 meters away from that. So object distance is equals to minus 2 meters. Next. Her image appears to be around half her actual height. So actual height is h and her height of the image is h by 2. So what is the magnification from that? Everybody, you can easily will get it. What is the magnification? M is equals to 1 by 2. Yeah. And it is a convex mirror. Convex means positive or negative, amma. Virtual image, correct. So virtual image means magnification is what, amma? Positive or negative? Yes, please.
Positive.
Positive. Very good. Hari, second meeting option is you take Hari. I want to see. So opposite. And
Yes,
Swadhan
sir.
also. Tomorrow onwards, Swadhan, you don't attend as Swadhan. I'm going to remove you from everything. Reddy also. Reddy change the number. Kaushik also. Gayatri also. What, you are all kids, ah? Estimate the focal length of the mirror. So we found that magnification is half. So magnification is half means you all see from that I'll get the image distance. What is the mirror's magnification formula? Magnification formula minus of V by U. Am I right, everybody? Yes, please. All of you?
Yes, sir.
So magnification is 1 by 2 minus of V by U. U is equals to minus 2. So minus 2 minus minus will get cancelled. So V is equals to how much it will come, Amma? 1 will come. Verify everybody. V will come 1. Am I right or wrong? 2 answer, 2 answer. So V equals to 1. Yes or no, guys? All of you? So yes, then 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by V, 1 minus of 1 by U is minus 2. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. So LCM is 2. Here 2 plus 1 will come. So which is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equals to 1 by F. So F is equals to 2 by 3. So what is the answer? Anybody? What is the answer? 2 by 3 ra. 0 point. 2 by 3 means how much?
0.666, sir.
Yes. So 0.66. 0.66 meters, sorry. Okay, Hari?
Yes.
Yes. All of you saw. Or it is 66 centimeters approximately. So it is a behind. So it is focal length is positive or negative? It is positive because it is a what mirror? Convex mirror. One of the good question actually it is. So please note it. Very beautiful question. Like these questions will ask, I'm saying you 95% of them will disaster. I'm saying you correct. Going to be disaster, people.
Sir,
Yes, Hari. I am
sir,
Sadhana. Yes, Hari.
sir, this is correct, sir.
Hari?
Not lens right. Formula is wrong. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by
Oh,
U.
sorry, Hari. Very good. Yeah. 1 by V plus 1 by U. Sorry, Hari. No, 1 by F, that is what I'm saying. Please make, if I make any error, you have to tell me. It is a mirror. So mirror means 1 by F. So remaining all simplicity. So 1 by V plus 1 by U. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by minus 2. So which is equals to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 will come. So 2 minus 1, which is equals to. So what is the answer? 2 meters focal length. Am I right? Do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good, Hari. Make it, Amma. If I make error, you have to tell me lens formula I used, but mirror formula they are giving. But you people are not saying. So please be careful. If I make any error, you can tell. Nothing wrong. Make it, everybody. Answer is 2 meters. Completed, everybody? So 2 meters. So plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2 meters. Okay, because it is a what image? What lens? What mirror it is? Convex mirror. So convex mirror means what? Diverging mirror or converging mirror? Diverging mirror. Okay. So diverging mirror it is. Now I'll show you the answer. You see that how the explanation. How many mark come on this question? 3 mark question. Correct? So all of you come down. You all can experience it. They will never explain it. They'll say, see that. Identifying the object distance minus 2. How many mark? How many mark, Ra? How many mark?
Half mark.
Half mark. So what is the reason I will say is always? Given data always carries mark. Given data always carries mark. This is what is the mark. So given data is object distance only. Am I right or wrong? Minus 2. That is only. Next. Finding out image distance as plus 1 using magnification formula. இங்க ஏது கிடையாது. What is the, how they are saying? Height of the image is half of the height of the object. So that magnification will become what? Everybody. What is the magnification? 1 by 2. So if magnification is 1 by 2, magnification formula is what? Minus of V by U. So M is 1 by 2, minus of V by U means again 1 by 2. So minus minus cancel, 2 will get cancelled. So V is equals to what? Everybody. V is equals to what? 1. So finding this, that is 1 mark. See that. That's why everything is important. See me, what I suggest you always, make a board pattern. Your answer has to reflect only the marking scheme of board. Then nobody can make us to like what, cut the mark, or nobody can do anything for us. That's what I'm saying. Next, 1.5 mark for what? Using the correct formula. That's why see, I used mistakenly minus, but Harris rectified it. That's good. So if you use +1 lens formula, it is a mirror formula. Mirror formula, then you will get +2. We got it. But you have to see that. For formula, how many mark? They are saying. Formula, how many mark? In that also. In that 1.5 formula, how many mark? Half mark. Do you understand? That is the reason I say everybody's. At least or answer theriyada. You write formula and given data. Now given data and formula, how many mark? Yes. Given data and formula, how many mark, Ra? 1 mark.
1 mark.
Okay. That is the reason I always will say, please write formulas. But all the given data you have to write. Lens formula, mirror formula also, correct formula you have to write it. Given data with sign convention, without sign convention, yaar kadiyadu. Use ille. No mark will be given. With sign convention. Clear? That is what I says. So calculating the focal length +2 using the mirror formula. So if you calculate it, you will get the 2 meters. Just now I had told. So please solve it. You will get the answer. So now let it be. Here we'll stop. In this, the most important question is 14th question. 14th question is entirely different question. So it's the first time you will experience it, but now it's not. We'll study. See that. Till now you might be studied. Object is placed always perpendicularly. Have you noticed it, everybody? But here the object is placed how? Horizontal. Understanding? So not vertical object, horizontal object is placed. Now they are asking the distance between the image point from front to last. This will be the very good question. We'll discuss it later. So no issues. So till here you learn. Question number 12 is also very good question. Then today at 10 o'clock sharply we'll meet. So today we are going to revise and few more new things I am going to introduce in the light chapter. So definitely you will make it. So try to come, maximum don't take leave. So if it is possible, any possibility, you can attend the class. If it's still there is a serious problem, you no need to come. So otherwise you can come somehow. That is one. So thank you everybody. So start working, revise now. I think tomorrow, day after tomorrow, mass exam. Now you can revise. And 10 o'clock we'll meet sharply and make it. Thank you everybody. We'll meet by 10 o'clock.